Okay, so hey guys, welcome to Cladkey's official YouTube channel. First of all, very thank you for showing love and support to our previous video, which we made a few days ago. It was on the topic of whether Clad 2021 will get postponed or not. It recently crossed 1K views, so thank you for that. This is Art Doshi. He's a first year student at the National Law School, which is NLSIU Bangalore. And myself, Priyanshu Agarwal. I am a first year student at Gujarat National Law University, GNLU. And today we are here to deal with a very pertinent issue that how to prepare for GK in last 30 days of your preparation. These are very important issues which many of you guys are facing. So we'll be dealing with that. Now that here is the thing is that there are two categories of students. The number one category is who have not yet started studying GK, for it can be because of various reasons. And number two category is who have started it but they do not know what to do now. So we'll be addressing both kinds of students and we'll be addressing both categories of students. I'll be asking questions to Earth, and the first question to you, Earth, is for someone who has already started doing GK and already has done enough GK. What does he need to do in the last month of the preparation? Now that 30 days are left for the CLAT 2021 paper, what should he do now?
Yeah, so that's a very nice question. I like trying new things, and at the last moment, it may seem very, it may seem very nice to try to do new things. Okay, it will take your mind off and stuff, right? People try new companions, people try other coaching material, okay, new sources. But in the last moment, there is the worst thing to do. When only 30 days are left, the only thing you should be focusing is on revision, revision, revision. Revise once, revise twice, revise thrice. You have already been paying good attention to GK. You have been doing for this for a long time. Last month is not for trying new things. It is for revision, and it is the only thing you should do. Yeah, you should obviously still pay attention to the articles coming in daily, okay? But you should not pick up any new source, no matter how good the source is, no matter how authenticate or authoritative it is. Don't pick up a new source. Only revise, and that should be more than enough. It until now will pay off if you revise well and if you can remember the stuff during the exam. Trying anything new, okay, it will not help you remember it during the exam. Yeah, if you still have a lot of time on your hand, you believe that you have a completed revision, pick up a new source. Pick up a new source only if you think you can revise it at least thrice before the day before the exam, and then you can do it. Yeah, so I think that will be all for GK. Nothing more than that is needed.
Right, right. Okay, so second important question is for someone who has started just now or will start in 1 or 2 days. What will you suggest, like sources and how to go about it?
Yeah. So someone who has just started right now, okay, it may seem a very daunting task to complete a lot of GK in the first 30 days, right? It may seem very scary and next to impossible. But if you plan it well, you may still be able to achieve it. What you do is, today is the 12th, go and pick up a newspaper. Go and pick up today's newspaper, start reading. Once you complete it, go over the last week editorials, go pick up news over the last week. Once you do that, then you can start off all the news of May. Once you are finished, you go to April, then you go to March, then you go to February, then you go to January. Okay, and try to complete all of this within a time frame of maybe 10 to 15 days at max, and then start with the revision. You don't have a lot of time on your hand, so it is very important that you focus on the last 5 months at the hand, also while dealing with the daily news also, and then keep some 5 to 10 7 days for revision. And I think this should suffice. With the time with your on your you have on your hand, it might not be advisable to go on till December, November, or October. Pick up the last 5 months, revise it thoroughly, and they will be good to go.
Right. So you will suggest to start from today itself and then go backwards, right?
Yeah, try Tenet Movie if you have seen the movie.
Right. So the third important question is from when and till when GK should be done. Could you suggest some dates or months till when the GK should be done and from when should it be done?
The matter of fact is, I don't know the answer to that, and I don't think anyone knows the answer to that. Not over the consortium. Even those who make the paper, okay, they sort of decide when they are making it. They don't have anything set in mind. Okay, so yeah, it is always advisable to cover at least 5 to 6 months, 5 to 6 of previous months of GK. So once you're done with that, then you can follow the advice I had given in my earlier question that go backwards. right? So the time frame is as much important as it is how much important the topic is. Okay, if a topic has come in the news today which was back in 1 year ago, okay, but it is important today, you might need to go back and check the news that came 1 year back too. So there is no specific answer to that, okay, but yeah, do make sure that you cover the last 6 months thoroughly. They are very much important.
Okay, okay, okay. So, what would you like to suggest some sources that aspirants can rely on for GK?
Yeah, so the number one source is editorials. Okay, you can pick up some 5 to 6 newspapers. Okay, you can do one newspaper daily. Okay, and it will cover a lot of area, and it will give you a good comprehensive skills also. You can check the Hindu, the Indian Express, the Business Line. Okay, and there are some blogs such as the Project Syndicate. Okay, that is a very good read. Okay, it covers GK also. It might help you in English also. Apart from them, if you think a topic is too important, you can actually go and check out UPSC websites such as the Jagran Josh is there, the Study IQ is there, Drishti IS is there, okay. But be very careful. Don't go searching each and every topic in this website. Only pertinent topics which are very important. And apart from that, I think this should be all. I don't think anything more than this is actually needed to cover the GK for CLAT.
You can also go and look at your coaching institute resources. Those are also very helpful. But mind
Hmm.
that not every topic is important, and try to choose a topic which you feel that can come in CLAT 2021. Right? So you have to make your own decisions regarding that. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It has been newly made. You can also follow us on Telegram if you want to interact with us, guys. There's a whole team of Klatkey, and come online on that Telegram channel. Just go on Telegram and search Klatkey, you'll find it. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind.